So got the interior cleaned out, and pleasantly surprised that the floors on this car are pretty solid. I really don't see us having to replace the floors. I do see a few holes in the passenger side at the front there. We're probably gonna have to do maybe a patch there. I don't know what we're gonna have to do there. Maybe we can save the floor and just put little patches in, or we'll cut a section out of another donor car and put it in there, so it matches exact. Dashboard is not the right one. It's a 4-speed car. You can see all the brackets here and 4-speed steering column. Headliner is gone as I expected, so let's put a new headliner in. Pretty much almost all the interior needs to be redone. So finished getting the interior out probably before 78. The seats were changed, or they put the seats in a different car and used these in there. Not sure what they did, but it's the right hardware, but definitely the wrong vinyl on there. Some of the trashed interior pieces, but believe it or not, the 500 grills look pretty good. I might be able to save them. A little bit of creative metal work on here will make them look a little bit better. Missing a few pieces, but not the hard to get pieces. Finished taking the stuff out. Actually have the Mr. Norm carburetor, the carburetor that actually came with the car. There was actually 3 carburetors in there, but this one's marked Mr. Norm 66, so got the original carburetor. I'm sure within all these parts there's a lot of original stuff. I have to sort through it. A lot of the stuff is marked Mr. Norm 66, so at least he marked it. The center console looks like it had better days, but I think I can restore parts of it. And the really hard part, the 4-speed center section, is all there, so that made me happy. And that's about it. I don't think that this metal grill went to the car stock, but it was in there. These pieces are really hard to find, and I got 3 in great condition with just very minor bending I have to do to get them perfectly straight. But I was looking for these for the other car. Now I've got enough to do it. So this is the car completely gutted, all the parts that came with it. And now the next task is actually take the rest of the parts off, take the glass out, basically strip this car down to bare metal, get it to the shop, and start working on metal work. Get the metal work done and start the whole routine over again.